to my channel, and today I have a mystery item. So I've already opened it, but I figured, you know, why not show the box because it's more dramatic that way. I don't know, and you guys are gonna laugh. So let's go ahead and pull out so I actually got a coaster. I've never gotten one of their coasters before. Although I might have in one of the other mystery sales. But it is this guy. I don't know what kind of leather it is. I just don't know if a leather coaster doesn't like water damaged leather. I mean, right? And then I got a peppercorn. So if you guys know, I actually bought a peppercorn, what was it, a couple months ago, and I actually did end up selling it because I wasn't using it. So I didn't want it to sit there, and now it's not there anymore, but like I figured maybe another time I would get one if I really wanted a new one, but I was using my Lush here, and to be honest, I didn't want to let it go. So this is my B6 Lush, and I didn't want to move into that, and I feel like I should have been really excited to move into it, and I wasn't. So that is that, and then I got this guy. So I'll zoom out just a little bit. So you guys are probably like, why are you laughing? Well, you know, I mean, got stuff on mine. Yeah, so this is mine. This is the one I got. So I literally have one cover, which is this guy. Like, legit, this is the one I have. White stitching, white elastic. Well, the one I got was white stitching, pink elastic. So I legit don't think there's anything wrong with this one, like at all. There may be like a few indents, like, but the only thing that I see that it's wrong, is that gonna come there? I think you can kind of see it, is that I think the elastic was resting maybe in their stock, and then they put other ones on top, so it made like a little indent. I mean, it's legit perfect. Like, it looks almost identical. Well, obviously the pockets are a little different, and you know, I got something on mine, but like, I love these pockets, but I don't hate those pockets because literally the only pocket I use is this one in the back, and this is my sticker paper that I put there. So when I make mistakes, like I know there's one in here. So yeah, so this one, I think I used, yeah, I used a Copic marker, and so it bled through on the other side, and then it was a mess, so you can't use your Copics in this. I thought maybe because like it accepts like watercolor that you could, well, you can't. So I just thought that was stinking funny, and I went for two, and one sold out like literally as I was checking out, so I knocked it down to one, which was the only option. So yeah, so I'm selling this on the behind the what's it called? Like the buy, sell, trade? Is that, yeah, I think that's what they're called. I can never remember them. So needless to say, this is for sale. I think I may have someone interested, but it's like so disappointing, because like I was really excited. It was funny, me and Erica from Erica G Designs, we were talking, like I was dying to see what she got. She got this beautiful like purple one. I don't know names, forgive me, but like, I mean, I'm not mad. It just sucks. So yeah, this is what it looks like full. This is what it looks like when it's not full. But I love mine, I'm not gonna lie. Like this is probably, come on, the #1 thing that I actually use, because you know, there are pages missing because I haven't been able to go back and fulfill them all, but like, we are the 21st, and so I am a couple days behind because work's been busy. I wasn't feeling good these 2 days, so today is the 21st, so I'm a couple days behind, but I've been trying to stay really good because, you know, well, that was a couch potato. That was a horrible drawing, but you know, like, I've been trying to like keep like my actual thoughts of that day. So yeah, I want to go back in and fill those out. So yeah, this is what I got from the sale. It's pretty much in perfect condition except for that indent. And it has different pockets than I have, which I actually didn't even realize. And I love mine, but I have one already. So yeah, that's going up for sale. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.